Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix snipping tool is not working in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go to installed apps. Then you need to look for snipping tool, press on the three dots, advanced options. Then you need to scroll down until you see reset, press repair, and then press reset. After that, after it's done, you need to press Windows button, Shift and S in one time and look if snipping tool is working. So press it, and as you can see, it should work. As you can see here now, it's working. But for you, if it's not working, I will show you what you need to do next. You need to go to installed apps again, look for snipping tool, uninstall it, and after you uninstall it, go to Microsoft Store. And then you need to look for snipping tool, and you need to just press on it and install again, and after that it should work. So yeah, that's basically it.